How cute is this? I don't know why I pressed out on buttons. Sorry for the background. Someone is in the store talking on the phone. These are the cutest toys ever. Transformers. I know someone who loves Transformers. I used to love pianos. And it works. I used to love phones when I was little, by the way. That was my favorite toys for Christmas. It was like Barbie phones. Now look at this giant Nerf Roblox gun. That's very big. This is so cute, you guys. Look, and I love Barbie. Look. It's the cute Barbie car. Hot Wheel toys. Now these, the real Hot Wheel toys, them cost a lot. Time to put that away. Now this is cute. This is so cute. Oh, that'll be cute. $15. I'm thinking you can press on it. Oh, they got this one. Then they got the one for girls. Yeah, it's so cute. Try me. Let's try her.
Oh, hi there. It's me, Minnie Mouse. Are you ready to make some music? We have 3 different ways to play, and some really rockin' songs too. You can create your own music by pressing the piano spot. Do you want to dance with me and Daisy? Then press the music spot. Or press the memory spot to play the boutique memory game with us. Daisy and I are waiting for you. So come on.
How cute. And we have more behind me that I did not even see. Oh no, this is so cute. Bratz. It says Shadow High. Never saw Shadow High. I don't know if that's a cartoon. I'm thinking it was Bratz. This is really cool. This is